Hey guys, it's Omara with Side Hustle Exploration. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how I furnish a short-term rental property for Airbnb. I'll be talking about or sharing how I set up the dining area slash living room space. Keep watching. Before I get into the video, I'm Omara. I'm gonna say it again. I help people diversify their pockets by doing side hustles. I am sure if you're watching this video, you're looking for ways to monetize things that you are already doing or figure out ways to invest in other possibilities that can generate additional streams of income. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Now let's get into this video.
All right, now it's time to get to work. I am opening the box and pulling out all the items that I'll be needing to put together this compact dining table and stool set that I got from Amazon. I will be pasting the link down below in the description if you're interested in getting one for yourself. But I'm just setting things up according to what they are and putting them together in groups before I start assembling the items. Just pulling off the plastic so that I can better prepare for the assemble portion of this project. Literally, I don't know, I wasn't tracking how long it took me to do this. So unfortunately, I can't really say how long it took to put this entire table together, but it was kind of extenuous because of the many small pieces that you need to screw together. But all in all, I was pretty satisfied with the size of the table and how it fits into the space. So these U-shaped pieces here are what were put together to get the stool frame done. Unfortunately, you can't really see the full video of me putting these together. Unfortunately, I really did not notice that I was off camera doing this. So I'm apologizing to you all. I cannot recreate it because it's already done. Unfortunately, again, I know I said that like 3 times, but my bad.
So now I have all 4 stools up. I have to now put on the tops, but I'm taking a break. More to come.
Instead of doing the stool tops or putting the stool tops on top of the stools, I started with getting the frame of the main table together so that I had that down before getting to the stools because that would be a little more tedious. Sorry guys, I did it again off camera. I'm off camera, but I did a quick little switch up to be present again so that you could see what I'm doing. You know the time when you're trying to explain what exactly you're doing, but you cannot? This is that time for me. I'll just let the visuals show what is happening. Um, but you can see what's happening in this video, hopefully, because I can't really explain it. I'm securing the top section of the table to the body of the dining table. I hope that makes sense. You can't see what's really happening because it's kind of off camera, but as you can see here on the table, I had laid down the base of the chairs and I was putting the frames onto the chairs, securing them. And this is the finished look. I love the look of this table. I love it. I wish it were mine. Now it's on to the next step, which is putting together this sectional couch that I also got off of Amazon. This is a blue couch and I love the color. I wanted to create a space where there are blues, yellows, and greens. And so that's the inspiration for that space that I'll be creating throughout, well, the theme throughout the entire spot. it would have been great to have two people, a second hand, because putting this together was kind of challenging when it comes to flipping the couch and things of that nature. But it's manageable if you are on your own doing this. Just a heads up. Initially, when I got this couch and it was sitting in this space, I thought it was going to be too big for the room and was a little bit scared on the way that things would look in the space. But as you can see, it came out perfectly.